So welcome to the Back to School Night Honors Chemistry Team video for West Potomac High School fall of 2021. You can see here on the left, these are the members of our team. I'm Mr. Neil Duggan. I will be narrating this video for you. You can also see all of these are the absolute best emails to reach us and our office hours, and generally teachers can make appointments with students if the times listed here do not work. Course overview, we follow the Virginia SOL standards, and the goal with the honors course is to help prepare students for taking advanced level science courses, things like the AP courses or some of the other different courses that we offer. Additionally, our course outline is listed here. We start from the very small scale, from atoms to molecules, and eventually how things react, and then looking more at kind of the quantitative, the numbers-based aspect of chemistry in the second half of the year. The other thing that separates the honors course from the on-level course is the science fair independent research project. The expectation is that all students in honors chemistry are going to participate in an externally moderated, away from school experiment or research project, either independently or in teams. So this is one expectation that sets this course aside from the general course. As far as grading is concerned, we are operating just like the rest of West Potomac under a rolling grade book. So students' grades at any point all fit into their end of year grade, and their current grade is a snapshot of what they have mastered, the objectives that they have mastered up to this point. So in such, we are focusing on mastery learning for the different standards that students are expected to learn for the course. We're focusing on the actual mastery of those skills and grading specifically on the mastery of those skills. As such, students will then be able to retake or redo assessments with the ultimate goal being about mastering those standards, and students will be scored on a 4.0 scale. So we can see this is kind of the general rubric, what the 4.0 scale looks like. Students earning a 4, not only do they fully understand the material, but may invoke, some inferences or applications beyond what was taught in class. 3, students understand the material clearly, and there's no errors or omissions in their work that kind of indicate some uncertainty. Any errors have to be, fairly limited in what they have demonstrated. 2, they understand, the simple idea of the processes, but there are possibly some large errors that show incomplete understanding. And then 1, we do not have, there's some understanding of maybe the simple ideas, but any deep understanding is not clearly shown. 0, no evidence, typically indicated, an assignment or objective is not turned in, or we don't have any clear evidence that a student has understood the work. There is going to be different rubrics applied throughout the year, especially for different assignments, depending on what they are. But this is the general sort of approach of how the 4.0 scale will work. So last thing, as far as communication, as stated before, the best way to reach any of us is through the fcps.edu emails, which are listed in the first slide. We are planning on communicating and interacting with parents as much as we can, as needed, and we can respond to emails. We should be able to within 24 to 48 hours on weekdays. So that is it for now. We look forward to working with your children this school year. We hope to make it a good one. Thank you.